You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.
Alina! Work though. Oh, shit. It worked! That was the most amazing thing in the world. All over my pants, dude. Do you see any in the Mentos?
No, they disintegrated. Or are they in here?
Oh, I see them.
Oh yeah, they're in here.
Look, it's all over this part of my pants.
Oh, it's too dark, you can't see it.
Alright, that was hilarious.
Very. Alright, where's the cap? So that was all of them?
Yeah.
Oh, here's a little bit.
That's not gonna do anything, Annie.
Dang it.
Wasn't that cool?
Yeah.
Dude, can we edit that to make it lighter?
Yeah, I think so.
Dude, let's go. Dude, let's go ahead and make it lighter. And then we can, like, I don't know.
Alright.
Do you love me? Are you playing your love game with me? Hey. Look it. Listen to my ringtone. Wait.
Hi there.
Who are you?
I'm old Craig. Pleased to meet you.
What do you want?
Maybe I should ask you the same question. What you doing in my waters?
Just taking the air, you know. Not fishing.
And then how come this hook's in my head, fool?
It's nothing to do with me, sir.
It's attached to your rod, Mother Liquor.
Don't kill me. I've got so much to give.
Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach. You haven't done babies from a shoe?
You want to have the rest? You want to have the rest?
No, it's just a ringtone.
Dang it.
You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk. You're a jerk.
I know.
You're a jerk.